Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I see you've got the ceiling height set. Hopefully this is correct. I have no way of verifying that. The thing about flat roofs is that they're not flat. They're slanted to the outside edges. So a flat roof is actually just a series of hip roofs with a low pitch. At least that's my opinion. You've got it set to 1.2 degrees. I don't particularly care. I'm going to set it to 0.5 degrees. You got auto rebuild roofs on. That's fine. I don't see the roof. Maybe they're turned off. I'm surprised. I figured they'd be turned on. Oh, it's not building any. Okay, let's check the dialog box. Whoops, you got ordered no roofs. Okay. Naughty, naughty. Now we've got roofs. Okay, now you've got some cameras saved here. Let's take a look and see what it did. Well, it's goofy looking, but that's probably based on your settings. And you've got your camera set to clips to sides, I think. Couldn't find the icon. Well, I don't see. Oh, there it is. Scene clipping. No. Set that to 0 and to 0. Well, my camera's just not very useful. Let me create a new one. Well, what have you got against the roofs? You got the roofs turned off and the camera set. Okay. Let's look at one of these roof planes. See why it looks awful like that. Go over the structure. Let's see, structure got 87 millimeters. And your fascia is quite a bit wider, that's blocking. Oh, you don't have fascia. Why, I don't know. I guess maybe you want exposed rafters. I'm just guessing at this point. But this is beyond the scope of your question. This is the resulting roof planes don't look very good. But this is a flat roof. Although all the planes have a slight pitch in them, they're all gonna, if rain falls here, it's gonna run to the edges. And that's the way you build a flat roof, at least in my opinion. So there's the answer to your question. May not be the one you want, and there's some other issues you have to solve. I'm not quite sure. I assume you want to have exposed rafters, and that's why you set up the roof plates like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Have a good day.